Hi guys, my name is Miracle Wilson. I create videos that shows people how to make spiritual tips. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to watch away those bad luck, those things that always draw you back, push you back. Please, if you are new in this channel, I will request you to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button so that anytime I drop another video like this one, so you never miss anything. My name is Miracle Wilson once again. If you are a new person here, do not forget to subscribe to this channel because that is the only thing that helps us to grow. And it makes YouTube to understand that this channel is useful to people. So before I drive you to that particular tutorial that I'm about to show right now, do not forget to leave a comment because that will also make another person to understand that this video is helpful. So first thing you need to do in this tutorial, you need cinnamon. This is the cinnamon. What you are going to use the cinnamon for and how you are going to use it, because this spiritual tips is 100% working. And not joke with this. What you need to do, you need 3 cups of water. That is stainless cup. Okay, let's go this way. Let's say at least you need 1 liter of water. With this cinnamon, you need to take like 2 spoons of cinnamon. Then you will now put the cinnamon inside the water. Then as you put the cinnamon inside the water, please do not forget to pray. And what you want it, pray to God and it will always answer you, because this is actually spiritual tips. You don't joke with it. And when you are playing this, do not discuss or interrupt by anybody, because this is 100% work and demand what you want. You know what is your problem, you know what you want. So let's say I want to demand for something, like, because this day most people have bad luck, so much bad luck. It's not easy to people. What you are going to do is you need to take, let's say this one, 2 spoons of this, like this one, 2 spoons. And you take 2 spoons with 1 liter of water. So after mixing it and pray, then you will now use it anytime you want to go out. Maybe you want to go out, you want to go out and hustle yourself. Then you will now bath with the water. Then take a little and put inside the water that you want to bath. Then after that, you need to go out, and this is absolutely working and active. Then go out and come back with a smile in your face, because this is working. Subscribe to my channel and I will see you in next video. Leave a comment because you are going to like it, so that another person will also know that this channel and videos are helpful. Thanks for choosing.